So I just recently finished up the Flight Sim Collective for helicopters and stuff, and it is completely operational. I'm able to use it all the way now, and it works perfectly. Um, yeah, I cannot. I'm thinking. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to mount it to my seat, but after that, I'm pretty much going to be flying in game soon. I pretty much just connected. I 3D printed some parts, some gears and stuff, and basically just put them on. Yeah. This little metal piece right here is like a mechanical stop for it, so that the thing knows when to stop, because that's pretty much that's the maximum range or resolution of that potentiometer is right there. I had no idea where I was going to put it, so I basically created a cog, cut it in. I made a 100 millimeter what was it tube, and basically just kind of cut it and made it to where it would 3D print just like this. But so far I am pretty happy with how it turned out. It's pretty accurate, and I hope everything is good with it. I am going to be putting some grease in between here so that it actually it goes around clean, and it's not going to be a lot of grease. It's just going to be a little bit. I'm going to mark exactly where it goes. So, but after that, after I pretty much finish up everything with it, grease it up, and fly around with it and see how it works, I'm going to be 3D printing a case for the back. So it'll come all the way back here, come up, and then over the top, and it'll cover everything. So it won't be, let's see, it'll basically stop right here, and this top part will be visible. I don't have any plans of closing it up. I do have plans about making this a little bit longer, and but other than that, I am happy with how it turned out. If you're wondering how it's staying in place, I'm basically put two nuts here, 2 nuts in here, 2 nuts there, and then 2 nuts on the other side. And I just adjust them how I want it. I put a washer in between there, and that just keeps the pressure on it. 3D printed this case right here, and that's a Leo Bodnar board. This and there's the BU0836, the load cell one. But that was the last one I had laying around. It was either that or some Amazon boards that I didn't really want to, or the Arduino boards, which I didn't really want to program. So yeah, I am happy with how it turned out. I'm really happy with it. It looks really good, and I have to say I cannot wait to get to flying with this. I'm just kind of recording this for you guys so you can see before I start flying with it, and forget to record it, just so you guys can kind of see it. I'll have the stuff linked in the description on the stuff that you can build with this, so that you can actually build it yourself. Cause man, this is amazing. I'll also include the gears and everything as well as this thing, so that you can actually attach it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do with it or change about it, please tell me. I would love to hear some. But yeah, with that being said, actually, I also had an idea right before I close out the video. I don't think I should have made this as big as I did, but it is what it is right now, and it works really good. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It's just, I really wish I didn't make this as big as it did, because I kind of feel like it was a waste of filament. I could have probably made it a lot better, or made it smaller, a little bit smaller, instead of as big as I did. But yeah. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching the video. It really means a lot. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up on the video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I'm always posting videos about flight sim stuff and always building stuff like this. So yeah, with that being said, see you guys in the next one.